MS309. Basically, get it, plug it into your OBD port. With the engine off, and you essentially start your vehicle. I gotta start this in a very unique fashion to get my cluster to come on. It's a recall on Toyota Prius, and I was deployed and missed the recall notice. So at any rate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Then hold on. Gotta turn on the headlights and then push. Cluster comes up. Once that's on, you got this action going. Dang it. And then pretty simple is hit enter. It'll scan, finding, okay. Read codes, enter, all right. Engine, enter. No codes found, enter. Come down one, enter. Woo, baby, right there. That's it. All right, so coming back to the scanner, I'm gonna go ahead and we're going to erase the codes. So clear the codes. And then when you go to read your codes again, for transmission, there it is. Multiple codes for solenoid B. So it's telling me that solenoid B has an issue, which is the solenoid that I just disconnected. So now I know which solenoid is bad. Now, if you're on a budget, replace obviously the solenoid that you need. But if you're not on a budget, buy all four and replace them while you're in there. Mind you, they're a good solid $150 to $200 a solenoid. So that's a lot of money. In my case, I'm gonna go the budget way and just replace that one solenoid. Hope this helps, guys.
I see her shotgun riding down a two-lane road, just driving around with no place to go. Singing along to where the green grass grows, hands out the window floating on the green.
And drop those temperatures up there near that backboard fire would be very helpful. And we'll continue with an onshore approach for the next several days. So really half of where we're going. Normally would be like mid-90s. We'll be in the upper 80s and low 90s for a lot of days on that 7-day forecast. So since you think you're not